Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to target your competitor brand name by using Google Ads. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to simply type in the Chrome, and then you have to simply type in the Google Ads in the search bar, and from here you have to simply go to the first website from here, and here you will get the option of sign in or start now. Just simply click on the sign in, or if you don't have account, then you have to go for the start now. Once you sign into your own account, it will simply take you to this page. From here you have to just simply click on the tools icon from the left hand side. Here you can see in the left hand side the tools icon. Then here you have to just simply click on the shared library. After that you have to just simply click on the audience manager like this, and you have to just simply click on the audience manager. Sorry, that was my bad. You don't have to click on the audience manager. You have to just simply click on the brand lists, and then you have to just simply click on the create a brand list from here. And once you click on the create a brand list, it will simply take you to this page, that the new account level brand list, and here you have to just simply type in a name. So for example, I'd like to go for the list name to test, and then here you can just add a brand. Then here in the below you have to just simply click on the save icon. Then after that, when you click on the save icon, it will simply take you to this page. Here you can see that the brand list is already showing here. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.